Thank you, Marisol. I'm back. It's nice to be here again. So we're here now to listen to an iconic story of Global Via. And I say iconic because it's like super interesting, so you should check this out because we have here Pablo Vivanco, Innovation and Transformation Manager at Global Via. Welcome, Pablo.
Thank you so much for having me. Thank you, people, for fighting against the hunger.
Can you tell us a little bit about Global Via?
Yeah, sure. We are going to talk about OpenVIA by Global Via. OpenVIA is the technological platform of the group Global Via, and we provide with digital solutions to the mobility ecosystems. Okay? We develop and we service with this kind of solutions for all the many pillars that mobility has. From, for example, mobility as a service platform for citizens and urban mobility to mobile apps in order to pay for toll roads. Also from microservice platform for operators of infrastructure, of transport, to the digitization of the infrastructure that will ease the arrival of the autonomous vehicle. We are doing everything with the effort of our technical staff in OpenVIA, in Spain and in Portugal. And we realized that the very important thing is also all the interaction with the open innovation ecosystem and the collaboration with the startups. We think that one perfect example for this case is our collaboration with Valorant, that is an Israeli startup.
It's very interesting. Can you give us more details about the collaboration?
Yeah, sure. We've firstly met here in the South Summit in 2019, so thank you, South Summit, for that.
Pleasure.
And we approached them and we discussed how to use the stats that are sensors embedded in the pavement layer to be used in one of our highways here in Madrid in the M45. We finally did it. We deployed like 500 section of road with these sensors, and we just work along with them in order to improve the product. At some point in time, Valorant decided to pivot, from a hardware-based product to a platform-based solution. And this movement is very aligned with the idea that here in OpenVIA we have in order to serve and create digital solutions for mobility and for operators in order to guarantee scalability, security, and cost efficiency.
Wow, I don't know about you guys, but I mean, to me, this sounds like a lot of fun. So can you tell me what's the secret source or maybe the secret sauce of this collaboration?
I will tell you, but keep it secret.
Okay, so just turn off the cameras, please.
No, all joking aside, I think the secret is very simple. I think that having a very good and close relationship communications based on reciprocal trust is critical. Having very talented people working hard with the hands-on, the good stuff. And finally, I think that being flexible and open-minded in order to face the challenges there.
Yeah, well, changing the perspective a little bit, I know that these are not your shoes as such, but sometimes the pace between corporates and startups is, let's say, a bit different or challenging maybe. How is being the experience from the side of the startup in this case?
Well, I think that for getting a response with that, I think the best person is a person inside, and is Michael Bardi, that is the CEO and co-founder of Valorant. I think we have a video.
Oh, cool.
Michael from Valorant. Since we won South Summit, the most disruptive startup in 2018, we've been working very closely with Global Via, who we met in the conference. Now, this has been a transformative relationship. You see, as a startup, you bring deep understanding of technologies and how can they be applied, but you often don't understand the minutiae of how users and clients are going to want to use and apply that. And Global Via has been more than just a client, they've been a real design partner. And what defines that relationship more than anything else is trust. You see, through trust, we've been able to share information that otherwise we'd not be able to share. We've been able to cut processes to focus on what really adds value and what progresses our common objective, rather than focusing on the things that need to be done for the sake of doing them. And it's with this trust that I'm excited to see what's going to happen in the future and how together we are going to grow and help transform our entire industry to a greener, safer, and potentially more automated one. Thank you.
Grow and help. I like that. Also, the plant in the back, that's a South Summit Award, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Very cool, very cool. So, yeah, to finish, I would like to challenge you, maybe if you can use 3 words, how do you see the future?
The shortest one are the most difficult.
Yeah, of
usually.
course, that's the last.
I think I see the future. We see the future in OpenVIA as disruptive,
Okay,
sustainable,
definitely.
and a future that never stops moving.
Cool, I like that, I like that.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much, Pablo. I think we're going to be back to you with Marisol. So, thanks again.
Thank
and
you.
we hope to see you again in South Summit.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, guys. Thank you, Alvaro, also for being with us today.